Riendekithia aria minister wa tene Raphael Tuju ni gatagati ka mendekithia maria mategemanitio mbere ya kamiti ya kuramata ruhonge rwa ucirithania JSC makirongoreria kweheria acirithania a igoti karu ari ni hamwe na mucirithania munene Martha Koome, Isaac Lenaola, Smokin Wanjala, William Ouko na Jokidungo. Acirithania aya riu makienda mucirithania munene Martha Koome ombe ndundu ya majaji aria meguthikiriria cira wao handu ha kamiti ya JSC. Mawakiri ao makiuga maundu maria meyumiritie cira-ini uyu ni marito makiria gigatiba.
The petition filed by us, and I've read the other petitions as well, are bristling with substantial matters of law, and therefore on the face of it their petitions should be certified.
Dictates that the matter shall be heard by an even number of judges, being not less than 3. So what am I arguing about? That we've already passed the threshold of satisfying your lordship that there are serious constitutional issues, and we should now make the necessary order that in accordance with Article 165(4), this matter should now be heard by a number of judges as directed by the Constitution.
Nihoya riria mawakiri Tuju mareganite nario, wakiri Ahmed Nasir akiuga gwitikiria Koome ombe ndundu ya acirithania gugukorwo ari mahitia manene kiwatho kuona ona kenia kuruhanitio cira-ini uyu.
It is inconceivable for this court to make a determination that this matter raises a serious constitutional issues and then you refer the matter to the Chief Justice. I was slightly surprised by the submissions by counsel for the JSC that the JSC has no problem with the chair of the JSC appointing judges to hear a dispute with the JSC. I mean, that's preposterous. How can he be ambivalent about that?
Ahmed Nasir niongereirie ati riendekithia-ini ria majaji hatiri riboti ironania ati ihoto ciao ni ciagararitwo na njira o yothe, agakinyaniria Koome etikirio ombe ndundu ya acirithania a guthikiriria cira wao gucagura acirithania mekomenderera cira-ini uyu.
My lord, if you certify that her petition goes to her for an empanelment of an expanded death, I mean that will be an epic scandal. It will be an epic scandal. It will be taught in law schools. It will be taught everywhere. I mean, it is simple. I mean, it is allowing a judge to pick a judge of her choice to listen to a case.
We will deliver this ruling on the 25th of April. Sorry? 25th April 2025 at 10 a.m.
Much of them.
Riu mucirithania Justice Lawrence Mugambi agatwithania kana Koome ni akomba ndundu ya acirithania aria magathikiriria cira uyu tariki 25 mweri wa kana.